You see, what is the case? There was a initial, the National Herald, the company, they had a capital of 50 lakhs. After the company was taken over by the Gandhi family, fraudulently, I'll use the word fraudulently. After the company has been taken over fraudulently by the Gandhi family, suddenly its net worth increased to 2,000 crores. Not only that, it is a Section 9 company where profit is prohibited, like our Cancer Foundation. You cannot make profit. But they were making profit. Rahul Gandhi often accused Adani and Ambani that how you have made so much money. My question is, being a politician, being a member from a political family, where from you have earned that business tricks to convert 50 lakhs rupees to 2,000 crore?